The sensor is located under the engine cover and indicated by the red arrow. Pull the engine cover straight up and off. It is held in place by 4 studs that sit in 4 rubber grommets, blue arrows. The sensor is located on the left cylinder bank towards the rear and indicated by the red arrow. Press down on the tab red arrow and separate the electrical connection. You can now wiggle and pull the grommet and sensor up and out from the bracket. This image shows the sensor and grommet out of the engine. Put a little lubricant in the grooves in the grommet before reinstalling red arrows. And installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.